It's 5 days late and it's Picks of the Week. Ding ding. Oh no, I dropped it. Picks of this December. 5 days late for Picks of the Week, week 50. Ding 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 ding. Here we go. The first one. It's 3 stocks. It's meant to be just one. It's all the American EV stocks that seem kind of okay. Do your own research. Fisker, Wkhs, and Lordstown. I don't think America or the world is going to allow China to just have the base, the dominant number of EVs out there. Of course, Tesla is the most dominant, but still there's going to be, listen, GM, all these other huge companies have existed for ages, as if they don't have enough money. They've got loads of money, they've got loads of lobbying power. They're just going to pour money into these as well. Maybe, maybe not. Well, I'm just pointing out stocks, not an advisor. Ding, ding, ding. Next stock, Airbnb. Yes, it just went public, but don't go for it now. Go after Q4 earnings because they're going to be shite. Just think, no one's been away. Numbers are going up all around the world. I mean, come on. It's going to be bad, and that's definitely going to take a hit. We'll see. Don't know. Last one, Tesla. No, I'm just kidding. There's one underneath. Oh, wait, look. If the one underneath is also Tesla, yes, same one. I'm going to do this joke every week because it's still reasonable. Just think what they're disrupting. It's what? It's going to be 1 trillion. I mean, think of it. It will be. Maybe 2. So there's still a lot of space to grow. Always buy, 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 buy. I mean, I'm buying. Just buy if you want. These are just stocks I'm pointing out. Do your own research. I'm just pointing out. You might like some of them. Yes, Picks of the Week. Re-recording. Last bit, safety play, Apple. They're going to be a money maker for next year and the years to come. They are still dominant in the market that they're in. I mean, yeah, it's just a safety play. If you want decent growth and a sizable company that's not going to die, unlike Facebook right now, is causing a little bit of trouble. So Apple, safety play.